Okay, I know it's been a while since I talked to you guys and we sat down and had a get ready with me. I've just been super busy and like life has been lifing lately. So get ready with me to go out for a fun girls night in Washington DC. I am so excited to go out tonight, my loves, because literally I have been like working non-stop. I feel like I'm like experiencing a slight burnout right now, and I've just been working so hard and I haven't been outside like that in a while. Mind you, I have been to brand events, but I feel like brand events aren't like going outside. You get what I'm saying? I'm talking about outside, like to the club and live my freaking life. I haven't really had like social time in a hot minute. So I want to look like a smoke show. So I am gonna pull out I'm gonna pull out a very dangerous dress. Now this is like one of my favorite dresses, hands down. So it's a really sexy dress. You guys will see it at the end of this video. Right now I just have my comfortable romper on. Okay, so the look that we are doing today is going to be a very natural and sultry beat. You know me, girls, I don't really do the most. I was gonna be like, why the fuck is there a dog poop bag in my fucking vanity drawer? But I ran out of Ziploc bags and my bronzer powder broke, so I put the bronzer powder in the poop bag because it's a really good bronzer. Benefit, if you're watching this, I need a new Hula Toasted matte bronzer. This is what it's looking like right now. I don't even want to open it because it's embarrassing. OMG, and all of my brushes and sponges are clean, so I'm super freaking excited. I'm gonna start off with my foundation, and I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Ugh, it's gorgeous, and this is in the shade 6.5 Deep Foncé. I actually am going in with this color because I've been laying out by the pool for the past couple of days, so I've definitely gotten browner, and my other foundations just will not match, and I don't want to look like a ghost. Ugh, I love this foundation because it just like illuminates your skin. Have you guys tried this Hollywood Filter by Charlotte Tilbury? Comment down below, what do you guys think about it? Because I really like it. I will even use it to like spot correct if I'm like laying out by the pool or just like out and about and I don't want to wear a bunch of foundation. So yeah, by the way guys, I just got my nails done earlier. Look how cute. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'll be using Charlotte Tilbury's Radiant Concealer. Oh my gosh guys, I haven't done a full face in such a long time. I have not like had a time for my time to myself to like create and just be a freaking girl. My god, I miss being a girl. Super random side note, but lately I've been really grooving to Carol G. Like, I've really been connecting with her music lately. She has been on my playlist non-stop, so let's listen to her. I had to pause the music really quick because I gotta tell you guys about this really nice brush I actually got the other day. It's by Youngblood Cosmetics. I really fell in love with this brush, like just the angle and the feel of the brush. This is a cruelty-free brand, so really love it. I'll have the info to this brush linked down below if you guys want to check it out. I'll be using it today to apply my contour. Okay, now it is time to blend. I mean, I could walk out the house like this and still feel gorgeous. Okay, now it is time for my favorite part, which is the blush. Now, I'm always using this palette. This is a NARS Orgasm Beach palette. It's like my favorite blush collection. As you can see, child, she is worn out, but she is still loyal to me and I am loyal to her. I'm gonna start off with this red right here, and I'm definitely a girl who's a little blush blind. Ugh, blush. That's how blush makes me feel, literally. So I just put on like the reddish pinkish tone But I also want to go in with some orange. So I'm going to go in with this one here. It is a little like highlightery. So the best thing about having thick brows is that you really don't need to do much to them. The reason why I don't need to do much to my eyebrows is because my parents gave me those genetics, okay? My dad is black and my mom is Mexican. They gave me the most beautiful hair and they gave me the most beautiful brows. Shout out to Charlotte Tilbury's team for this beautiful palette. This is called the Beautifying Eye Trends in the shade Emerald Effect. So first I'm going to start off with this shade right here, which is like an ashy brown. It's called Molten Satin. Como deporte. So I'm actually going to go in and add a little bit of brown on my waterline, my bottom waterline. I'm going to go in with this shade of brown right here. This is the Super Nudes eyeshadow palette by Charlotte Tilbury. Time for our lip. Now it is time to decide on our lip color. I do just have a little bit of gloss on right now. Alright, mis amores, so I just finished doing my makeup. She is giving. I'm gonna go ahead and put my outfit on, and if I need to like add any, oh my god, I almost forgot the highlighter. What the fuck? Alright, so the highlighter I'm using is by Refi Cosmetics. It's like a topaz color. Okay, now I'm done. Oh, I look like a doll. I seriously was not even in the mood to go out. I was gonna like not go out because I was gonna be like, oh, let me just stay in the bed and get rest and get more work done. But I think this is a much needed and well-deserved girls' night. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my outfits and show you guys what we're working with tonight. All right, so I finally put my look together. Let's do a little OOTN check. All right, girlies, thank you for getting ready with me. Bye.